While Wisconsinites stay safe,
we are all looking for ways to be together while we are apart.
May 8th is the 75th commemoration of victory in Europe, also known as VE Day.
That was the beginning of the end of World War II.
75 years ago, it was the celebration heard around the world.
Bells that were silenced for years during World War II finally rang again.
Today, more than ever, we can appreciate the sacrifices of the greatest generation.
Like me. And me.
And me.
We'll always remember our heroes.
Just like then, we will get through this.
let's show our unity
And resiliency.
As a state and a nation,
join us Friday, May 8th at 1 p.m.
Step outside and ring a bell.
Ring a pot!
Or make your own bell.
Make any noise for 75 seconds.
Post the video with hashtag MKE bell ringing.
We will celebrate our strength.
And remember, we've been through a lot worse before.
See you May 8th at 1 p.m.
as we ring a bell for peace.